Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. A dreary day out there today as we do have some light rain that will be sticking around throughout the day today. Will become moderate at times. At the moment, most of the moderate rain has moved north of our area, where it's Salisbury picking up over a half of inch of rain so far. We're still below half of inch at the moment. Otherwise, we'll see winds pick up a little bit. Could see a wind advisory as we go throughout the day today. Right now, winds are around 14 to 19 miles per hour with some gusts up to 22 miles per hour. Otherwise, have some low clouds in the area with broken deck around 900 feet and overcast at 2,500 feet. Temperatures holding steady in the low 60s at around 62 at the moment. And we'll likely see that continue to be the case until we get into the afternoon. We should see some things cool off with the rain cooled air and some onshore breezes. If we take a look at the current surface analysis, we have that low pressure that is tracking south of us and moving eastward slowly along a stationary boundary, bringing us plenty of rain into the area. That will be sticking around into the evening, and we should see things start to break up and become more scattered as we get into the overnight hours. Otherwise, we have high pressure to the north that's helping to tighten that pressure gradient, bringing us some breezy onshore winds. As we go throughout the day, we should see those back off a little bit into the evening, but then continue as we go into our Wednesday. If we take a look at the upper level winds from this morning's balloon sounding, we have the east-northeast winds near the surface in the lowest 3,000 feet, around 20 to 27 knots, becoming more southwesterly as we go above that, picking up to about 38 knots at 9,000 feet, and then becoming west southwesterly as we continue up through the column with some speeds around 28 to 32 knots. Freezing level is at 12,300 feet. Looking at the local radar, at the moment we see most of the moderate rain has moved north of us for now, but we should see that start to fill in as we go throughout the day with some periods of moderate rain. Otherwise, we'll stick with the light rain as we go throughout our work day and into the evening. If we zoom out and look at the visible satellite and composite radar, take a look at the big picture, we see some gusty onshore winds for Delmarva and pretty widespread rain shield associated with that low pressure that is now tracking along the North Carolina-Virginia border, moving eastward, continuing to funnel up some moisture into our region. If we take a look at the 3-kilometer HRRR model, looking at the next couple days, do see these showers will stick around. There has been a slight trend in things breaking up a bit earlier, but we should still see some scattered showers as we go into the overnight hours. And this morning there was some differences, and now it looks like things are trending towards tapering off by the morning hours tomorrow, but again we'll still see some chances of a few scattered showers kind of in the area and moving through, but it will not be as persistent as we are seeing today for our Wednesday. With maybe a few chances of a few of those showers becoming moderate at times. And as we go into Wednesday evening, again, still seeing a chance of a few showers in the area lingering around, as that low pressure will kind of hang out just to our south and southeast, keeping again the onshore flow and the cloudy conditions throughout the day Wednesday and into Wednesday evening, and continuing on as we get into Thursday morning. We still have a slight chance of seeing a few showers passing through the area, and then we should see things break up even more so as we get into Thursday afternoon. If we take a look at the GFS and zoom out a bit to the East Coast, starting Thursday morning, we see some rain still kind of lingering in our area, and we'll see that start to break up. Might even see some peaks of sunshine as we go into Thursday evening, and then we'll have this trough that'll be digging in east of the Rockies and moving eastward, bringing along with it a surface low moving off to the northeast and trailing a cold front that will be moving into our area as we get into our Friday and pushing through, bringing us another round of some decent rain showers and maybe some thunderstorms as we get into the evening and overnight hours of Saturday. Still a bit of disagreement with some of the global models on how far this front will progress off the coast. GFS is a bit more wet for our region over the weekend, with it a slower moving cold front and kind of lingering off the coast, as you can see here, keeping some rain showers chances in the area for Saturday and the better part of Sunday before things kind of start breaking up more as we get into Monday. Some other global models are keeping things a bit drier for our Saturday and Sunday, so kind of blending the two at the moment until we get some better agreement. And we should see things break up and be a decent start to the coming work week next week. So if we take a look at the 24-hour weather risk, again we have reds and oranges for precip as we go throughout the day today, as we do expect these showers to stick around throughout the day and again becoming moderate, maybe even heavy at times as some of those moderate showers move through. And then we could see it taper off by the morning hours tomorrow, becoming more scattered in nature as we get into the day on Wednesday. Otherwise, we're expecting winds to pick up a bit as we go into the afternoon hours. Could see some gusts up to 25 knots, so we do have that orange risk for seeing a wind advisory as we go throughout the day today. But we'll see those winds start to taper down a bit as we go into the overnight hours before we'll likely see them pick back up again as we get into the day on Wednesday. Also yellow across the board for low ceilings of visibility, as we do have those low clouds in the area with these showers, and also with the onshore flow we have plenty of moisture in the area keeping ceilings fairly low. Tides are running slightly above normal. If we look at the next couple of days, again Wednesday, another cloudy day with the onshore flow and some low clouds in the area early. Again, a chance for some scattered light rain showers that will be kind of peppering through the area as we go throughout the day today. Becoming a slighter chance of rain as we get later in the day, but rather breezy onshore flow. Again, orange for a wind advisory tomorrow because we do have some indications of seeing gusts up to 25, 27 knots, so wouldn't be surprised to see a wind advisory out tomorrow as well. Otherwise, a high of 64, so much cooler than typical for this time of year. And then again, with those chances of scattered light rain, and that onshore flow, we have yellow for precip and reduced visibilities and lowered ceilings. As we get into Wednesday evening, another cloudy evening with some breezy onshore winds. Good chance for low clouds in the area, especially as we get into Thursday morning, and chances back off a bit, but still a slight chance of seeing some light rain or drizzle in the area with that low kind of just lingering to the south. And we'll see temperatures start to warm as that next system begins moving across the country. We'll see that boundary that is sitting to our south start to lift north as a warm front, bringing in some more southerly flow. So we'll see things start to warm up through the second half of the evening Wednesday night with a low of 60, and then again we'll see things start to warm up. Have that yellow for a chance, that slight chance of seeing some light rain in the area or drizzle. Better chance of seeing some low clouds for a Thursday morning. And as we move into Thursday, we'll have a cloudy day, and then might even see some breaks in the clouds, becoming mostly cloudy. Again, a slight chance of seeing some scattered light showers in the area. Very slight chance of seeing a thunderstorm in the afternoon. With those warmer temperatures, we could see some instability, but it looks like most of that will stay to the west. But so just a very slight chance of seeing a thunderstorm in the area. Otherwise, slightly breezy. Again, those winds will be shifting, become more southerly, bringing in some warmer air, and expecting a high of 72 at the moment. Yellow for precip and yellow for lower ceilings and visibilities. Looking at the extended forecast as we get into our Friday, we'll start off mostly cloudy, and then we'll have that cold front start to move into the area, bringing us a chance for some PM rain and thunderstorms. Right now giving it a 50% chance, but likely see those chances start to increase as we get closer to the event and get a better timing on it. As we get into rather warm day for Friday, up to about 77. And as we get into the overnight hours, expecting a low of just 66. It should see a fairly seasonable weekend. We'll see how things play out with the difference in the two models. But right now, just keeping a slight chance of seeing a few uh, pop-up showers and scattered showers in the area for Saturday and Sunday. 20% for Saturday, 10% for Sunday. Otherwise, partly cloudy with those chances of rain and thunder. May even see a pop-up thunderstorm with the warmer temperatures, but otherwise lows in the mid 60s. And then as we get into Monday, expecting a partly cloudy day. At the moment, expecting most of the precip will be out of the area for a warm Monday of 78 and maybe a decent start to our next work week. Well, that will wrap up our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We'll be back again tomorrow at 8:15 and 10 a.m. Otherwise, enjoy the rest of your day.